have snoring, they should go to the ENT doctor, they should get a screening done. The severity is assessed by one night polysomnography, and then this PSG will tell us whether it is a mild disease or moderate disease or severe disease. And certain cases, after meeting up with the selection criteria, now they can be taken up for robotics. A selection criteria is very much required before we take them up for robotic surgery. And we have excellent feedback in all those who have already had this surgery done. They have been saying that they have been snoring for several years and now there is no more snoring. They are off antihypertensive drugs, they are off their diabetes has got better control, their weight reduction is much more possible now, their energy levels have gone very high, memory disturbances which were previously there, they have all recovered after robotic surgery.